Hey guys, a common question for the AcuRite Rain Gauge is how easy is it or how difficult is it to set up and install? And the answer is very, very easy. So you literally put 3 AAA batteries in here, and then I'm going to permanently mount the actual gauge soon. But whenever it's been raining and I'm home, I've been just testing this and getting it out there. So I just set it right there where it's open and there's nothing above it and it's actually getting the rain. And there's 2 AA batteries that go into the bottom of that unit, and it connects wirelessly to each other, and then you're good to go. So it's recording, and then you've got different modes. You can clear it, set it up. I don't have the date and time set up yet, which I need to do. But anyways, it's very, very easy to set up, if that's the actual question you're wondering. And I did it all literally taking out of the package and having it live and recording rain within about 10 minutes. So very, very easy.